guys how to make a DIY bookmark. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna be needing an origami square paper. You can also make one, which I'll show later on. So you need to take your origami paper and then fold it like this. It will be already folded like this. Next, fold it the opposite side. Like this. And now you need to open it up again and take it to this side. And now you're going to be doing this. You need to flip up one side of it. Next, take out the two corners and push it inside. Make sure it stays inside and doesn't come out, or else the bookmark will be ruined. So make sure it stays inside. So now you have created your bookmark. So for designing it, I'm gonna use my black gel pen and draw some eyes for it. Draw two circles on both the sides of it and then add some eyeballs. And another eyeball for making it cute. There. Next, I'm gonna take out two of my favorite colored sketch pens, which is blue and pink, and gonna decorate it. Gonna draw pink eyelashes on one side and blue on the other side. Now I'm gonna take out my black brush pen. You can use any black sketch or marker for coloring inside the eyes. Gonna use my black brush pen. Side the same way. There. Now I am done with inside the eyes. Now for decorating the outer part, I'm going to be using my zebra eyeliners. These are a pastel neon colors. I'm going to be using all the four shades out of this yellow color, because I don't want it to be that bright. So I'm going to use these four shades, which is this neon pink, neon green, and orange and blue. Now I'm going to take the fine side of each and draw two hearts, or one. I'm going to draw two. I'm going to make it different sizes. It's just going to be hearts. Last and final, which is the pink. So that's it for decorating this part. Now I'm going to decorate this part with these colors, the same. But I'm going to use the opposite colors of each eyelash, which is over here I'm going to be using the blue, and over here I'm going to be using the pink. So I'm going to be drawing this on that side and a pink one on the other. Next, I'm going to be putting a green dot on each. And a small nose for this. For it to be cute. You can also add some whiskers with your black pen. So I am adding in 2 whiskers on each side. So this is the final look of a bookmark. So hope you liked this video. If you did, please click that like button and I'll see you next time. Bye!